Why Apple Watch Series 8, your essential companion for a healthy life, is now even more powerful. Advanced sensors provide insights to help you better understand your health. New safety features can get you help when you need it. The bright, always-on Retina display is easy to read, even when your wrist is down. Easily customizable, available in a range of sizes and materials, with dozens of bands to choose from and watch faces with complications tailored to whatever you're into. Innovative safety features, crash detection and fall detection can automatically connect you with emergency services in the event of a severe car crash or a hard fall. And Emergency SOS provides urgent assistance with the press of a button. Advanced health features, temperature sensing is a breakthrough feature that provides deep insights into women's health. Keep an eye on your blood oxygen. Take an ECG anytime. Get notifications if you have an irregular rhythm. And see how much time you spent in REM, core, or deep sleep with sleep stages. Coverage begins on your AppleCare Plus purchase date. 24/7 priority access to technical support offers troubleshooting for Apple Watch, watchOS, and Apple-branded watch apps. Express replacement service provides a replacement before you return your device. Hardware repair coverage, including parts and labor, is available from Apple certified technicians in person or by mail.